Welcome viewers, you are watching RJ EDUWORLD. Here is top news of the day of West Bengal. Jharkhand government ready to roll out COVID booster dose from today. Jharkhand, which is battling heavy surge of COVID-19 cases, is set to roll out booster doses for the elderly with comorbid conditions and frontline workers from Monday as part of the nationwide rollout. Appointments of ECS of 24 universities in Bengal, without my approval. Cited by Governor Jagdeep Dhankhar. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankhar Thursday claimed that appointments of vice-chancellors of 24 universities in the state were made without his approval or in defiance of orders. Bidhanagar, fresh cases, nearly five-fold rise in a week. There has been nearly five-fold rise in fresh COVID cases in Salt Lake and Rajarhat under Bidhanagar Municipal Corporation from January 1 to January 8. The daily fresh cases in the BMC areas have now surpassed the previous single-day highest 634 cases, which were recorded during the second wave last year. We will be back soon after a short break. Keep watching.
Turn down for what?
Large numbers appear for Bengal college teachers exam, despite pandemic. More than two-thirds of the 83,000 candidates registered for the 23rd state eligibility test, organized by West Bengal College Service Commission, appeared for the test on Sunday. So, this is the top news of today. Keep watching for all update news of every day.